Alrighty folks, here we are at pattern-collections.com. I'm going to go to pattern focus, and today's pattern we're going to do Loopwave. I'm going to apologize in advance if you're going to hear some noises outside. There's some sawing happening. I can't stop it, so we're just going to live with it. I don't want to close my windows because it's such a pretty day out. Anyway, we're going to do Loopwave. Nobody else has done a video on it yet. And here is the sample with the loop wave right here around the edge. That's cool, huh? Anyway, easy to draw. This is one by Ina. We're going to do step number 1, which is arch, half circle. And we're going to make a bunch of them in a row, and then on top of each other until you get however many you want. And then to do the wave part, you're going to come up in here and you're going to make a fescue-like shape up in here, fill it in the middle. And then once you have that, then you're going to make the loop. You're going to just come around here, just whoop, like that. And just go like that, and that will make the loop. And then you can shade. Put your green shading, and it looks like that. And your loops can be whatever size you decide you want to make them. I think today I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. So I'm going to turn on my light so I can see, so you guys can see. Fix my camera, zoom in just a little bit. Looking good. Okay. Let's give ourselves some sort of shape to fill in. I'm going to do a little border. I'm just using a small tile today. This is it's a little bit over 2. I think it's 2.5 square. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a kind of a line here. Can you guys see it? Yeah, you can see it better than I can. It's a little glary for me to turn my, there, maybe like that. Oh, that's better. Can you guys still see? Yeah, you guys can still see and I can see better. Good. So I'm going to do along this line, I'm going to do my loops going here and here. You know what? I think I want to go ahead and do this border. I don't always do the border, but I'm just feeling the border. And I'm going to do it with a pattern. A line and 2 dots, and a line and 2 dots. Like that. Why not? I'm gonna draw this line too. Don't always do that either, but I feel like it needs it. And then I'm gonna switch over to my 01 pen. That was an 08, if you were curious. And draw these kind of arched shaped loops, like drawing a caterpillar, sort of. And I'm going to draw just a few. Like that. I'm going to go the other way. These ones are going to be a little bit bigger in size. just to get a sense of scale and changing scale, like that. Okay, and then on this side, we're going to come up and we're going to do a fescue with a little loop, curl and filled in, like so. Are you close enough? Let me zoom you in just a smidge. Sorry. As soon as I touch my camera, it jiggles. We'll wait for the jiggle to calm down a little before I draw here. How easy this is. Super simple, right? Okay, and then I'm going to do it on the other side. This feeling this is going to be a fairly quick one, unless of course I decide to color or something, and that will add some time. Okay, so there's that step, and it looks good, but it needs that loop, that loopiness, and that loopiness comes from this last step, which is to go from here on this stem this way, like this. And that creates that loop. Oops, I went the wrong place with that loop. That loop's supposed to go here. Oh, look at there. The next row, it doesn't go all the way over to there, it goes to there. That makes sense. Okay, we'll try that again on the next one. Alright, let's try that again over here. And this one, it goes all the way up and around to there. Like so. But then on this one, it only comes down, because it's coming around to there, it only comes down to there. I feel like it needs to come this way. Like it's behind, like that. That's how I feel. You can do it however you want. Okay, so I've got some going one way, I got some going the other, I've got some darks and lights. Now let's shade. Start with this part. don't think I went up far enough in my loop. The sample actually has them go up a little further to make a more loopier loop. More like this one. This one doesn't doesn't have to come up more like this. More like that. Start with that. Do a little blendy. And then we need to do the parts that overlap. And then shading on the overlaps, the outside bits like this. I'll shade around this part too, why not? You get a little carried away with your pencil. It's okay. You're going to blend it out anyways. But if you get way too much, you can always erase it. Right? I want to put some highlights, but I don't think I want to use white. I think that's too much for this particular page. So I think I'm going to get my pink pencil out and do pink as a highlight. That, and then like this. Okay, that's good. That looks nice. I'm going to put decide how I want it to live. It's going to live with the bigger ones on the bottom. Loopwave. Then I'm going to get my pink colored pencil and give it a little sharpening and to just highlight right here. Just like that. I might put a little white in there. I'm going to stick mostly with the pink, I think. Oh, yeah. Fortunately needs the light. Yep, it needs the white. Now, the question is, do I want white on this one? Or do I want to try... I'm going to try something. I'm going to try the cream instead on this side. Just to see if that... Oh yeah, that's cool, because it's a different color. That gives the smaller ones a look a little different than the big one. Something like that. Oh yeah. That gives it a little bit different color. Do I want the pink again? I think I want a little bit of that pink also. Just a little, and it's subtle. Almost non-existent, but I don't know, your eye, I don't know, my eye can see it. Not everybody's eye can see it, but I can distinguish color pretty well, and I can definitely see that little bit of pink makes a difference. Okay, I'm happy with how that turned out. It's an easy one and doesn't take much super big effort. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom in. Oops, sorry about the bouncy camera. I'm gonna have to do something about that. I'm gonna have to somehow maybe get some kind of stick or something. Prop that right there. Make it so it doesn't wiggle so much every time I touch the camera. Stop moving. All right, that's good. You guys have a great day. I will see you on Monday. We're going to do Libella, and then we'll do Duns and Muppety. I will see you then. Bye-bye.